Fizzy Squad! Today I am tearing down my very first house that I built in Bloxburg. I built it from the ground up and well, it's not the greatest house in the world, but I tried. It was my first try. So come with me to tear it down, and then I'm going to start over using the Living Peaceful house and renovating it. But before I do that, be sure to hit that subscribe button, hit the bell for notifications if you want to know when a new video comes out, and you can follow me on Instagram and Facebook. Okay, time to go tear down my first house and build a nice new one. Let's go! Okay, so here is my little blue house. It's a one-story house and it was built with love. My son Gray Force comes and stays here, so I had a bedroom for him. And it was my first try building a house, so it's kind of sentimental. But it's gotta go, so... Okay, time to tear down my house. Oh, okay, starting with my walls. Yikes, there it all goes. Alright, here we go. Get rid of everything. Oh, I'm so nervous to do this. But I'm also very excited I'll be getting a new house. Wait a minute. I don't have enough money for my new house. It's $50,000. Okay, I need to go work some jobs real fast. Okay, first here I am, selling some burgers. And I'm delivering pizzas now. Time to make the pizza. And time to go fishing. So you guys, I have been working all the jobs at Bloxburg. I'm going to make another video where you can see me work every single job in Bloxburg, and I'll tell you which one is my favorite. But for now, let's go buy my house. Okay, here it is, $50,000, click. So this is a really nice house. Let's take a look around. Okay, let's run inside here, open up my door, and wow, look at all the green and brown in here. So in the living room, we have lots of books here. Close the door here. We have our green couches, lots of dark brown furniture, shelves, a TV. This is looking pretty nice. It has lots of nice furniture. Oh, here's our dining room furniture, and in the kitchen here, we see the kitchen has kind of an off-white cabinetry, brown countertops, black refrigerator, and what's in this door? Ooh, it looks like my garage in here. Whoa, there's a lot of red going on. Okay, that is not my favorite color for decorating, so we'll change that. In the bathroom here, a lot of gray and white. Those colors I actually really like in a house. Well, I'm outside the house. Now I'm back in the bathroom. Okay, and in the bedroom, well, a lot more red. Red curtains, red furniture. Yeah, I definitely need to give this a facelift. Okay, so I like this house, but it's not exactly my style. I'm going to make it a little more modern. So, I'm gonna change the colors on the house to white with black trim and black windows. Give it a little bit more of a modern look. On the outside, I'm going to add some stone. Oh, I have have a big surprise for Gray Force. I'm buying a playground. He likes to come visit me. That's my son, by the way. So he likes to come and visit me, so I'm gonna put a playground in the backyard. Okay, I have another big surprise. I am buying a car. Like I said, Gray Force, my son, comes to visit. We may be adding more members to our family on Bloxburg, so I'm buying this car right here. I need a nice garage door for it. And this one should do the trick. All right, let's go to the inside of the house and redo it. So here's the inside of the house. It's nice. There's a lot of wood, a lot of brown trim. I like the colors white and gray inside of a house. I think it looks really clean and modern, so that's what I'm going for. Okay, I'm changing out the colors here. I think it's looking great. It looks like what I like. The renovation is complete. Let me give you a little tour of the house. And here we are, walking into the living room. So I changed the color of the couches. They are a light gray. All the furniture is either light gray or white. The walls are also light gray and the trim is a little bit darker gray. So we have this color palette of white, light gray, and a little bit darker gray trim around the windows and doors. So all the wood furniture is now white, and in the dining room here, I have a white table and chairs and a little rug to match them. One of my favorite things in the kitchen is that backsplash tile. I love that chevron design. All the kitchen cabinets are now white with white countertops. The refrigerator's gray. In the garage, I just changed out the floor to a neutral color brick and took the red curtains off the windows. Oh, and added a car in there. By the way, did you see my little turtle picture? I think that's so cute. The picture frames are green and now they are a light gray. And let's go in the bathroom. One of my favorite changes in here are the elephants on the wall. I love that wallpaper, it's so cute. I changed the vanity a little bit, made the top light gray, and I'm just loving this bathroom. I think it's adorable and looks really fun. Let's go into the bedroom. Remember all that red furniture? Well, I chose this kind of blush color for the chairs, for the bed, and I love the rug. I'm dancing because I'm so excited for my zebra rug with a little tiny throw carpet that's seafoam green because I think it looks so nice with the blush colors. Look at the bird on the wall. It's so cool, and it matches the colors in the room. So the bed is the same color as the furniture, and I cannot figure out how to remove that red curtain because the angle I was working at for renovating this would not let me get to that curtain. But you know what? It doesn't look too bad with the other colors going on in this room, so I'll leave it as a little nod to the colors that used to exist in this room. All right, let's go outside and check out the patio. It is nighttime in Bloxburg, so we won't be able to see it as much as we would during the daytime, but you get the idea. I didn't really do anything out here, just added this playground. See if I can go in the swing. Whoop, nope, just walking right through the swing. Okay, how about I climb up here and go down my slide. Have a little fun, woohoo, and I'm down. Oh, I'm down, I'm down. Oh, I'm up, I'm good, totally good, meant to do that. So eventually I will be adding a pool. I need to work some more hours delivering pizza and making pizza and selling burgers to afford a pool. In the back, I realized I forgot to take out the shutters and change the house color to white. Oopsie. I love the patio furniture that came with the house. That's really cool. Let's take a look at the front of the house. There it is. I'm so pleased. This was my first renovation. I think it turned out great. I hope you enjoyed it. If you like seeing videos like this, let me know in the comments down below. Oh, and Fizzy Squad, did you see the Fizzy floating in the air? If so, let me know in the comments. And guys, have a Fizzy fantastic day. I will see you in the next game.